Go to sleep now, little bird, go to sleep and rest ye, while the breezes gently flow all around your nesties. Now we recently learned that second phrase, loo, 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 was 5 notes moving up by a step, where there's a half step, or the third and the fourth note are closer together. Loo, 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 loo. And we also learned the name of that note in solfege. Do, re, mi, fa, so, so. So now we can do the hand sign for fa, pointing down, pointing to where the half step is. It's half step away from me. Do, re, mi, fa, so, so. So now it's important to figure out where it lives on our staff, on our staircase, and then in our notation, which I'll show you in just a minute. So when we can read songs that we know, we can read the fa in it. So when it lives in our staircase, there's literally a process of elimination. It lives right there between me and so. Do, re, mi, fa, so, so. Just those 5 right now. We can also call that a do pentachord scale. We are used to pentatonic. Tonic means there's a skip. Do, re, mi, so, la. That's your pentatonic. Pentachord means there's a fa. Here's the definition. 5 notes with a half step. Do, re, mi, fa, so. So now we have pentatonic, la pentatonic, and our do pentachord scale. Okay? So now, here, I'll put these up here. Where does it live? Well, it won't stay super well. Now where it lives in staff notation, it's the same thing. We know so many of the notes. There's only one spot left for it. Do, re, mi, fa, so. So fa is also green because it's the half step. But so if do is around the second line, fa is going to live in the third space. So if we have our hand staff, so forget what we did with the motions where it was like this. We're going back to our hand staff, where our hand matches the staff, the bottom line, all the way up, okay? So we'd have do, let me check that real quick. Do, re, mi, fa, so, so. So the first phrase, that's the second phrase we've been doing a lot with. The first phrase is do, re, mi, fa, mi, re, mi. Second phrase, do, re, mi, fa, so, so. Third phrase is the trickiest. So, mi, so, fa, mi, re, mi. Last phrase is easy. Do, re, mi, re, do, do. So this is where it lives in our stairs and our staff, and I'm going to show you where it lives when we have our stick notation. Here we have the stick notation, the rhythm notation, to go to sleep now, little bird. If we were to sing it with tas and toddies. Toddy, 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 ta. Toddy, toddy, ta, ta. Toddy, 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 ta. Toddy, toddy, ta, ta. But now, with fa in it, this is what it's going to look like. Underneath, we can write the solfege syllables. Do, re, mi. Fa is just a lowercase f. Fa, mi, re, mi. Just like that. Second phrase is the one we've worked on mostly. Do, re, mi, fa, so, so. Third phrase is trickiest. So, mi, so, fa, mi, re. Oops, excuse me. Mi. Always want to go down to do. Last phrase. Do, re, mi, re, do, do. just like that. Sing it with me now with the solfege, and then we're going to do the whole thing again with our hand signs. Here we go. Do, re, mi, fa, mi, re, mi. Do, re, mi, fa, so, so, mi, so, fa, mi, re, mi. Do, re, mi, re, do, do. Now, hand signs, here we go. Do, re, mi, fa, mi, re, mi. Do, re, mi, fa, so, so, mi, so, fa, mi, re, mi. Do, re, mi, re, do, do. Now, the whole song in step right here. It looks more like lines moving up and down, all that stepwise motion. Just a couple of steps here, but everything else is basically in stepwise motion. Here we go. Do,